but this is a great power. And there's a great history behind this, a very great history. But as I said, for millions of years in India, this sambandha, this beautiful relationship of guru and disciple, is going on through Vani and through Mon. Recently in the month of Magh, before this month of, this is Chaitra, then Falgun, then Magh. January, February is Magh Mas. Kumbh Mela is in Magh Mas. There's one big Snan day during Magh Mas, it's called Moni Amavasya. Have you heard? Moni Amavasya. So it's Amavas, which means dark moon, no moon. 15 days waxing moon, Shukla Paksh, 15 days waning moon, Krishna Paksh. When the moon is waxing, getting bigger and bigger, then Chandra, Purna Chandra, full moon. Moon is getting smaller and smaller, then can't see, Amavasya. So Moni Amavasya, Mon means silence, and Amavasya. So why is it called Moni Amavasya? Why is this day called Moni Amavasya? It wasn't always called Moni Amavasya, but it's been called Moni Amavasya for a long time. And the history goes all the way back to this gentleman here, this personality here, Shankar Bhagavan. This is Mahadev and Dhyan. Vaishnavanam Yata Shambhu. Moni Amavasya was started by Lord Shiva.